Hello everyone, my name is Bianca. Welcome if you are new here, and if you are returning, then welcome back.
It's me, Bianca. Huh?
So today I have a very exciting video. I am going to be testing out the new Urban Decay Face Bond Foundation. I am super excited to try this out. I did receive this in PR, but all of my opinions are going to be my own. And there are a lot of claims to this foundation, and it is a little controversial, I would say, because some people are saying, oh, this is too hyped up, whatever. But we're really going to put it to the test today. So this foundation has 40 shades. It claims to have up to 24-hour foundation wear, waterproof. It is a medium buildable coverage. It has a serum-like texture, and it is clinically tested to improve the skin. It has 3% niacinamide, which is amazing. We love skincare products in our foundation. Gotta love that. And the biggest claim, it says that it is a cell-setting powder. Those are big claims. So we are going to put it to the test today, honey, because Mama has a pool. I'm Mama's. And yeah, we're really gonna see what this baby can do. I'm so excited. Let's jump into it. Okay, so I am going to prep my face like I normally would because, you know, we're gonna give this foundation a go. We're going to test it out like I normally would any foundation. So I'm obviously going to skin prep the normal way that I would. So first I'm going in with my Whoa Glow sunscreen. I just started using this stuff and I really do like it. I love like how illuminating it is. I think it's so pretty on the skin to wear under foundation or just by itself. Some claims I am seeing about the foundation is that it's like too cakey and that it probably works best for people who have oily to combination skin. So that is something to keep in mind. If you have super dry skin, you may not like this. This may not be for you. Next, I am going to go in with my e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I do one pump of that, and I'm going to place it like more on the outer part of my face. Next, I am going in with my pore filler. This is a putty primer from e.l.f. as well. This combination, I swear to you, like literally will make your makeup last
All day, all night.
Love this combo. It's so good. It's funny, I used to not be a primer girly, but since I've gotten older and my skin has matured, I swear it really makes a difference. Okay, so this does say there's 3 different ways that you can apply this. Full coverage, they recommend using your fingers. Medium coverage, your brush, or light coverage, a sponge. So I think I'm going to opt for a brush. I personally prefer medium coverage to light. Well, I guess it depends on like what I'm doing. So I'm just kind of hanging out at the house. My mom is visiting today. We're going to chill by the pool, boo-boo, and snack, have a couple drinkies. Yeah, and just like hang out. So I'm just going to do a couple drops of it on my brush. I'm just going to slowly build this up. Ooh. I'm not like look. Do you see like how like cakey that's looking? Already it's not melting in with my primers. Oh no. But you know what? This is what I'm wondering right now. I'm wondering if this is an oil-based foundation or a water-based foundation, because that is really going to make a difference. If you're applying, you know, oil does not mix with water. So if you're applying oil-based primers and then the foundation is more water-based, it's not gonna look good, you know? I mean, duh. Let me try going in with a sponge and see if that makes a difference. So I'll be right back. So I'm just gonna do, God, that was a little bit more than a little bit, wasn't it? Just gonna go ahead and like see if it looks better with a sponge. No. Oh my God. No. It is still looking horrendous. All right, y'all. I'm going to start over. I'm going to try one more thing. because I have seen some of my favorite influencers talk about this foundation, and I'm like, there's no way. There's no way that they're lying. Okay, I'm going to fully remove everything that I have. I'm going to just re-prep with my sunscreen, and that's all I'm going to put on because
hello, we cannot go without sunscreen.
And then I'm going to apply the foundation without any primer. Maybe it doesn't need primer. So let's try that. Okay, I'm back. I'm just going to place this sunscreen on. Okay, y'all, we're gonna try again. I'm just going to dot just a little bit. Another thing I did here is a little goes a long way, so maybe I will just put way less. And I'm gonna try blending it out with my finger this time. Because I did see Desi Perkins rub it with her fingers, so maybe that's... Ooh, that is already looking so much better. First of all, I definitely would say less is more with this product. You really don't need to go in with a lot, which is great because like then it will last longer, obviously. I really do appreciate that. Yeah, a little goes a long way. Oh yeah, I'm loving this now. Oh my goodness. So no primer necessary. That is the trick, I feel like. See if I can build it up just a little bit. But you still see how like my skin looks a little luminous, even though it is definitely matte and it doesn't really feel like I'm wearing anything. This would be like the perfect type of foundation on the go. Like let's say you're really in a rush. All you have time to do is like grab your foundation, maybe like blush and a lip gloss or something like that. You already put on your moisturizer and your sunscreen and hop in the car and just like put it on with your fingers. Literally, this is that type of foundation. So I'm going to do the rest of my makeup and then I'm going to come back and give you my final thoughts. Well, not final. Give you my thoughts on how the rest of the makeup went on, and then we're going to do a wear test. Forget how pigmented this is. Shit. I love this blush. Oh my god. I am going to set under my eyes just a little bit because like I always set my under eyes and I didn't put the foundation there. But literally just like literally right here. Mira. Just like that. I need a little nose contour. I'm going to take this brush and I'm using the Ciate Brazilian Glow palette. I'm going to use tan lines. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Hello. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to do is go in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And
I'm like a bird. I want to fly away.
I've kind of been liking for a fresh look lately is like no lashes or mascara. and just doing like something fun and fresh on the eyes. So I think I'm just going to leave it like this. And yeah, I'm going to go hang out at the pool and do wear test outside. I'm going to tan and then I'm going to jump in the pool to see if it's actually waterproof.
Actually waterproof.
And yeah, and I'm going to see how it wears. So I'll be back to give you my thoughts.
Ultimately, like, we're gonna be here for a little while, so.
Okay, y'all, so it's been a couple of hours. I've been laying out in the sun, and this is what the foundation is looking like. I'm about to jump in the pool right now to test it, see if this is actually waterproof. Let's find out.
No pressure, you only get one shot.
We're live.
We're tied.
Nice.
Boomerang.
What do you think, Freddie?
Should make a behind us.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I don't know, what do y'all think? Alright, y'all, this is how the foundation is looking. I definitely think it's waterproof. I still have foundation on. I definitely think that this is a really great on-the-go foundation.
All of the things that we had tried, I was basically heading towards a sedentary lifestyle, and that's what led me to the Good Feet store.
Hey guys, so this is the second day I'm wearing the foundation. Yesterday, whenever I showed you in the video, I did jump in the pool several times. So this is just wearing it for a while. I have filmed and now heading to my brother's house to barbecue. So it's looking pretty dewy. I did just refresh with some like dewy setting spray. I still like how it's looking though. It's looking like skin. I don't know. Y'all let me know what you think in the comments. I think this foundation is a go. Again, I think it really depends on your skin type. I have dry to combination. So if you have more of a dry skin type, you're not gonna like this. Oh. This is
Baby, what are you doing?
9 hours. 9 hours wear. And it's looking still so good.
Stunning, as a matter of fact.
Okay, for real though, do you like my foundation?
Pharrell Williams. Damn,
What do you think of my foundation?
yeah, it's cute.
It looks good. It looks like skin.
No, it looks like you're wearing makeup for sure, but
I know, but like, it doesn't look too cakey. Like, what are your thoughts, for real?
I think that the makeup itself is, I mean, yeah, it's obvious you're wearing makeup, but it does look good.
Okay, thank you.
So, I don't know, like, if I can tell you're wearing makeup at all, I'm gonna say it looks cakey, but you like to wear a lot of makeup, so my cake might not be your cake, you know what I mean?
Okay, thank you. Thank you all so much for watching. Please comment down below if you've tried this foundation or if you think it's overhyped. Thank you so much for watching. I think I already said that. But please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video.